Hello viewers, welcome to Earnpedia. In this video, we are going to see about the Infosys certification, its eligibility, advantages and other related information. Infosys certification is nothing but an accreditation that tests your knowledge in programming and databases, and anyone who clears the examination and gets an Infosys certification, he will be called as a Infosys certified software programmer, and he also gets an opportunity to have a direct interview with Infosys for the position called systems engineer. As far as the eligibility is concerned, in order to take this Infosys certification examination, you need to be a pre-final year student of BE, BTech or ME, MTech, MSc, MCA or MCM courses. So in this case, at present, 2022 passing out students are eligible for this Infosys certification program, and there is no minimum academic percentage that you need to carry, and there is no age restriction as long as you are a pre-final year student. In case you are eligible and interested in this Infosys certification examination, what you have to do is just visit the InfiTQ portal page. This is the link, and I will share this link in the description as well. Once you go there, register yourself, and you also have to register yourself for the Infosys certification examination as well, in which you will be asked for a preferred programming language, which is either Java or Python. You have to choose one among them, and once you choose it, you cannot change it later. And third step involves booking a slot. You will be given a list of slots from which you need to book a slot, and once you confirm your slot, you cannot change it later. And the fourth step involves referring to learning journey. There are n number of courses available under a tab called learning journey in InfiTQ portal. Though it is not mandatory for you to complete this learning journey in order to take up the Infosys certification examination, it is highly recommended. We recommend our students to take up this learning journey because it will be highly useful for them in order to clear the Infosys certification examination. So this is step number 4. And step number 5 involves system compatibility check. You need to do the following tests with your system in order to verify whether your system is capable of taking this test or not. And the final step involves the guidelines. There are n number of guidelines prescribed by Infosys for taking up this examination. Just go through all the guidelines before you give a try. We will also have a quick view on the overall examination process, that is Infosys certification examination process. So the Infosys certification comprises of 3 examinations, and the first round will be a qualifying round. This round will test your knowledge in programming and database management along with your aptitude. So you need to work on your programming skills, database management and your aptitude, that is general aptitude. Once you clear the qualifying round, you will be required to take up the final Infosys certification round, and this will check your in-depth programming and database management skills, and the questions will be of objective as well as hands-on questions. You need to secure a score of 65% or more in this final round. So the students who have secured 65% or more will be declared as the students who have cleared this round. As simple as it is. So once you clear this round, you will receive a certificate from Infosys called Infosys Certified Software Programmer, and you will also receive an opportunity to appear in an interview for the systems engineer role at Infosys. So students, whoever clears the final round, have 2 options. One is they can give a try for the systems engineer, they can attend the direct interview, or they can go for the next round called advantage round. So in this round, again there will be an examination that tests your programming and database management skills. Questions will be even more complicated, difficult and challenging when compared to the final round. And if you clear this advantage round, you will be given higher roles like power programmer, systems engineer specialist at Infosys. And if you don't clear this round, you can still enjoy the benefits that you get in the final round. You can give a try with systems engineer. So it's up to you whether you take up this round or not. In case you have any queries, you can visit a tab called Frequently Asked Questions section in the InfyTQ portal. So you can check whether your query has been already addressed or not. In case it is not addressed already, then you can send a mail to infytq@infosys.com along with your query. I hope that it will be addressed by the Infosys team members. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you all liked it. Please click the like button and do post comments in case you have something to say, and also share it to your friends and relatives. And I also request you to subscribe our channel and also click the bell icon to get the further notifications of my videos. And thank you very much once again.